XRP, well, let me just move this arrow because this pretty much came through very well. And I did say we would hopefully see the 40 cents very soon. And it's looking like after a quick pull up to maybe around 48 cents, 49 cents, we could be seeing a sharp spike to 40. Again, this correlates very nicely. If we look at Ether, the amount of movement that we're looking to 400, BTC, the amount of movement to this Fibonacci extension here. And then you see that 40 cents is perfectly aligned with this region of movement anyway. Should we break into the 30s? I don't really think so, personally. I know many people are calling the 30s, but if you look at this, this is a real support floor here. Major resistance level where price reversed from after the huge initial surge last year. And then we can see this now. It's going to be the first time we've actually finally retested this region after exploding all the way to $3.3. So of course the market has to pull back. Every level that's broken, guys, whether that's in Forex, stocks, it could be wheat or corn. The level that gets broken has to be retested inevitably at some point in time. And with crypto markets, when they're rising this hard, it has to happen. We have to see a retest, which now is good because I now have an easy target of $3.3. Should I ever wish to sell in a panic, which I will never do. But at least you know now that price can easily reach this level once again. So again, let's just look out for this retest. I'm really hoping 40 cents can be met shortly. And it's very likely me and the team will put in another 100,000, 200,000 or so anyway, and really capitalize on this movement and get in just a bit higher than where our prior entry level was. The beauty is back in the day, buying here would have been an all-time high. The beauty is now this would be borderline an all-time yearly low. So when you look at it in that perspective, you can see how over the long term, I'm in Ripple for 5 years, by the way, probably even longer. So people have to remember this is a huge long-term investment. Things are working now. You can see there's over 10 banks actually using XRP and strategizing and test piloting. The news came out the other day. I'll post a link in the Telegram for you guys as well. So overall, guys, just look at the long-term picture and just see how great the opportunities are right now to capture these movements. I've been in this market for a long time. Remember when Bitcoin, and again, I shouldn't really need to do this because you members know now, but just remember when Bitcoin first went to 1,200 and it then just died around 80%. It took many years to recover, but it did recover. The beauty is now there's liquidity in this market. Bitcoin took so long to recover because there was no liquidity and nobody had the balls to get involved. But now the problem is, and actually I wouldn't say the problem, the good thing is everybody is involved now, which is what we want because the market can fall and rise more volatile than it ever has before, which means with the downside swings, the upside swings come just as volatile as we experience with these huge ass candles right here. So again, look at this. It's a nice example. The same time frame that we rose is the same time frame we really regained all of those wins, and we actually ended up almost breaking even. So you can see a good example, slowly covering down, 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 and then it will just slam up again. Perfect cycles of markets, and it's all coming into play right now.